Yeah, see, we're on our trip.
Woo!
Gonna go on a boat ride. Big boat ride. An airboat.
Fast. It's gonna go fast.
I'm gonna hold Tim's hand because he's a little afraid.
Okay, so if you're gonna hold his hand, could we just be away from you a little bit?
Oh, okay. It's okay.
Oh, honey, you want to hold hands, huh? That's sweet. Can you wink, Bubba?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out, is he real?
I don't know. He's not real.
I don't know. He moves, we're gonna jump.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't think it's real.
I don't see it move any.
I mean, talked about there was a 1,000-pound alligator down here. Bubba.
Must be him, then. Huh?
I guess he's just snoozing.
Hey, can we all fit in here?
Oh, there.
There you go.
I already got it.
Sibling. Oh.
I'm video.
Oh.
I'm video.
There we go. There we go.
Okay, go on. Oh, good. Oh, look, you get put on your hearing.
Yeah. That's cool. It's pretty loud, huh? I don't think so either.
I think it's open exhaust coming off of the looking at this one over here and that one there. It's just open exhaust. Yeah, a little one. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I see it blink. Yeah, blink.
I see what you everyone. Really?
I'll watch your step.
Yes, I want you to come sit by your own.
They're gonna melt. Right. We're gonna take about an 8-9 mile round trip ride. Going out, we're gonna take it easy, do a little sightseeing, see what kind of animals we can find that are left out here. And then on the way back, we're gonna open her up a little bit. I got a 6.2 supercharged motor back there in the Corvette they call LS3. We're gonna get some fun.
Woo!
Give these guys a little refreshing.
You go, Doug.
We'll stop by a little spring, and finally we're going to go through an area we call Tarzan Tunnel, where they did some of the filming for the original Tarzan movies that were filmed up in Silver Springs. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Let me get this chain up here, and we will go take off. Another one here just got his eyeballs up. Just past those lilies. See them?
Yep.
Two more right here. That one in the back's about a August. See him right here? See how small he is?
Oh my goodness, he's tiny.
When they're that big, even the bass eat them.
The daddy, the little baby.
Bass.
Oh.
Males will kill them because they're competition, but they generally won't eat them.
Cute.
And they learn to walk on those weeds really early. Another baby gator on the right, swimming back right back into the weeds. And there's another one past him about 12, 15 feet to the left. You got a nest back here. So whatever you do, don't lean over too far because Mama is not far off.
There he is. Right
You
there.
might see some more in here because back here's the nest. There's one back here. Generally, she will lay around up to 70 of those eggs. They're lucky if 7% survive. There's a bunch over here to our left. You see the mud? There's 1, 2, 3, like 4 or 5 of them.
Yeah, I see him. Yeah, little one. Little walkway.
And as I said, they're lucky
Oh yeah,
7%
they're sitting in there.
survive.
You can probably see
Also, temperature of the
Yeah.
nest is what determines the sex of the gators.
Temperature. Really?
89 and below, they're female. Above 80. This spot here we call Big Gator Point. This is one of the deepest spots in the entire river right below us. About 12 feet deep right now. And these big gators, they like this deep water when it's hot or cold out. They go down the bottom, they go gator hole, down spinning any energy. They hold their breath up to 2 hours.
2 hours.
That is called a mud buddy.
Mud buddy.
That motor, it's a lawnmower motor with a vertical and a horizontal shaft with the prop. It's got a big old skeg under it so it can go over mud, stuff like that.
Huh.
Yeah, first thing you're going to see when they pop up from here is going to be his eyeballs, then their nostrils. Every inch between those two equals a foot of body length.
Is that one over there?
Right there.
How big they are by just seeing his head. He just popped up, didn't he? Looks like a pretty big one too. Let's just drift here for a minute. Yeah, it's about, who's got tape measure, but I'd say about 9 foot maybe.
Really?
See him?
You see him, Tim?
He was wondering what the heck that mud buddy was doing. And you guys familiar with Elvis Presley's movie Follow That Dream?
Yeah, Yankee Town.
If you hang a left at Follow That Dream Parkway, about 8 miles later, you come right up to the Gulf, right where the with the Coochie meets the Gulf. Don't go on a weekend. I did that once. Took me 4 hours to get in and out. Pretty popular, and every single guy's got a boat and a trailer. Yeah.
It's like that Homosassa River on Saturday, Sundays.
Oh, jeez.
Oh my God, it's like a drag strip.
Yeah. This was like that earlier.
Yeah, is it?
Oh yeah, that's why the big gators aren't out right now. Bubba's brother's normally laying on a tree behind us. It came down in Irma. He takes up the whole root ball, 13-footer, and we're not going to see him. I mean, I'm not going to jinx us because we're going to go up there and check it out in a minute, but I guarantee you he's not there. Because once they get too close or throw a wake on them, they don't normally return to that same spot. So we either have to look on root balls further back in the woods or he's down in the water, waiting for all the yahoos to leave. Then he'll come up.
Oh hell, down this river.
But this is one of the best crappie holes of the entire river right here.
What are the best? I'm sorry, what?
Crappie holes. Crappies, fish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There's a gator straight in front of us.
Oh.
About a 5-footer.
mistaken. There he is.
About an 8-9 footer. We also have an osprey nest in the very top up here. That branches over the river.
Look at I don't care.
What?
Yeah, you have bread?
Oh, yeah.
Last year I had one fly 10 feet over the boat and had a 4-foot rat snake in his talons.
Really?
People were freaking out.
That would be awesome. Yeah.
Only way he's gonna drop that is if an eagle attacked him.
Yeah, he's got dinner.
All right, let's go see what's happening at the dam. Watch this.
Oh, he's gonna go right up.
That's the only boat you go that fast in. You gotta get momentum. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. You tried that in an airboat, I guarantee you get airborne, something's gonna break. For us, that's all about horsepower.
That was pretty cool.
So I take it this can't go over the dam?
No, unfortunately. You want to jump that dam, you got to come back, rent our 6-pack boat. I'd be more than happy taking it. And on the other side of that dam, well, it'd be on our left from here, is the original, I think it's 12,000 acre Flying Eagle Wildlife Refuge. Nothing's ever been built out there since the dawn of man. Talk about old Florida. And I actually had 2 private rides this morning. We went over there. It's just nobody up yet. Oh, it's beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Uh-huh.
That would be wonderful.
Weeds on a log. I'm sorry, I'm getting a little grumpy. I missed my raisin bran. Look on the right here, you can see how these cypress seeds form off the roots. Irma took so much soil out of here. You follow the roots, you can see how they're all connected. It's all one organism. That's why you don't see these blown over in very many storms. That root system is so immense, it's basically going to have to snap the tree before they're going to get uprooted. Week before Irma, did I tell you? Couldn't even turn the boat around in here. Had to put the nose of the boat on the dock, line on the trees, and we were restricted to no wake. The water was almost up to those people's back doors.
Wow.
The Big Little River, they named it well. See the belt underneath there?
Yeah.
And 16 for the motor, so it's about 22 grand right here.
Woo. Woo.
Yeah.
Oh.
And they frowned me turning them into tree trimmers, so
That's
that's why I can't get too close.
Yeah. Wow.
Well, thank you very much.
Oh,
Yeah, it was
pleasure,
nice.
You guys, you come back anytime. We'll have some more fun.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's
Thank
great.
you very much.
Okay. Thank you.
That was exciting. Yeah,
Great.
that's a
Yeah,
nice
we
ride.
did it.
Yeah,
I'm
it was
like,
fun.
what a good day to, yeah.
Yeah.
It's perfect. I'm like, my goodness. Kind of asked for
Perfect.
better.
Yeah, no. Perfect.
Yeah, let the rain all at once.
Yeah.